All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of Schaefer.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Mr. Schaefer, you brought this case before the court, sir?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Okay, go ahead. What's going on?
Well, my son was married to the respondent, and he died. They had a child that's now 3 years old that has been left in my custody, and I'm asking for some sort of relief or support because I'm retired from the military and on a fixed income.
Okay. First of all, my condolences for the loss of your son, and thank you for your service as well.
Oh, thank you.
How long has the child lived with you?
2 years.
2 years. Has mom given you any support for the child?
No, she hasn't.
She hasn't bought anything.
Not significantly, no.
Mom refuses to pay $14,000 back child support. Soldier 3-year-old grandson raising him alone. Mother off the grid, globe-trotting, sipping cocktails, $5,000 a month. On a condo she barely lives in, but zero for the child, not a dollar. Not a crumb now. She's in court standing tall, acting bold, trying to explain how luxury comes before responsibility. How flights matter more than family. The judge watching, the gallery silent, the room heavy with judgment, her excuses thin, reality creeping in. No money for diapers, but plenty for designer bags. No time for calls, but endless hours for vacations. Today she faces the reckoning. The truth is coming fast and hard.
I've just now come to the point where I need some relief and I need some help.
I agree with that. Ma'am?
Well, I've been traveling. My job had me traveling a lot, and I was in between jobs. I'm making $35,000 now.
Okay.
And, I'm not...
Where are you traveling?
Well, I'm a travel agent.
Okay.
So because of that, I can just travel. I get discounts and I get to fly free. So...
Oh my God, that is amazing. But that has nothing to do with you giving some sort of financial support.
I didn't have it.
Excuse me, I was talking. That has nothing to do with you giving financial support to this man for the support of your child. Your child, not his child. Your child.
It is my child, that is correct. But like I said, my job had me traveling and I really didn't have the extra money.
What are you doing with yourself every day? What do you do? Tell me about your traveling.
Well, I had got this new condo for one thing, and that.
Wait a minute, you got a condo and you're traveling.
Yeah.
But
So let's break this down. Mother jet setting, posting sunsets, living her best life. Meanwhile, not a single dollar to her child. No grocery money, no tiny toy, no check in the mail. Nothing. Grandpa holding it all together. Retired fixed income, stretching every penny. Sleepless nights. School runs, doctor visits, while she dances through airports and boardrooms. If that doesn't stir something deep, wait, because this courtroom is just...
Well, I'd rather not say.
No, I'd rather you say.
Because
how much is this condo?
It's pretty steep. It's pretty steep.
Ma'am, what does that mean? That means nothing to me. Steep. You know how many people come in here with things that are steep? I need a number.
I like to live nice, and so I paid $5,000.
See, you know what? You obviously came here to waste my time.
No, I didn't.
Yes,
really,
you did.
I didn't. And
Ma'am,
I really
yes, you
didn't
did.
have
I've
the
asked
extra
you a
money.
very specific question. How much is your condo?
Well, I pay $5,000 a month.
$5,000 a month?
Mm-hmm.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
is this 3-year-old in daycare?
Yes, he's in preschool because he has some special needs.
How much is daycare?
Daycare runs about $300 a week.
$300 a week.
Don't you get some kind of this?
And don't you just need to wait your turn until I come to you?
Yes,
I'm not talking to you.
Okay.
Thank you. Sir, $300 a week. And what type of special needs does a child have?
Hold up, did she really just admit $5,000 a month on a condo? A luxury space she barely lives in, and yet not a cent for her own child. Not a snack, not a school supply, not a single effort to share the weight. This is where the courtroom shifts. The judge silent, but simmering disbelief thick in the air because the math, it's not adding up, and patience.
Okay. Does you have to pay for like any medical expenses?
He needs special counseling, and of course he has regular doctor visits.
Counseling. Does mom show up to any of those doctor's visits or anything?
Well, no, of course I haven't always told her, but I
Exactly.
haven't expected her.
Exactly. You haven't given him any money either.
Well,
I'm not talking to you still.
okay.
Now, I don't have anything against my former daughter-in-law. I mean, she was married to my son, but I do need a little more involvement and a little help.
I agree with you. It definitely, if she's spending $5,000 a month on a condo, I don't even stay in a condo, ma'am.
I need that. I
Okay,
have to have
well,
that.
I need a condo. Can you give me your condo? Exactly. So your child support based on $35,000 a year. Are you carrying any type of health insurance on the child?
See, that's another thing. Since on the child,
Yes.
well, the child is autistic, so the child gets a check. So I don't understand why you need my money.
Okay.
Because you get assistance from the government. with
Excuse me.
my child.
Excuse me. Last time I checked, I was the judge.
You are.
Okay, thanks. That means that I asked the questions and I addressed him. He addressed me.
Okay.
You do not address him.
All right.
Okay.
Understand.
How much is health insurance for the child only?
I have no idea what health insurance is for the child.
So obviously you don't pay it. Sir, how much is health insurance for the child?
It's just short of $400.
Short for the child only?
Yes,
Ma'am, you...
I'm covered under the VA.
Well, I thought he was getting government.
No, well,
assistance.
I thought you should have been giving him something for child support. So we're going to go...
Another bombshell drops the child is autistic. His world demands more care, more time, more everything. Therapy, schedules, medical needs, emotional stability. And mom, she's nowhere. No appointments, no phone calls, no footsteps in the hallway, just absence, dressed in silence. But now she walks in here like she's the victim, like this courtroom owes her sympathy, the nerve, the disconnect, the cold refusal to show up.
And the child has been living with you for the past 2 years, you say?
2 years.
So not only am I going to make you pay child support, ma'am, you're going to pay back pay as well.
I cannot afford that.
Guess what? Sell your condo, then you can afford that. So I have your gross based on $35,000 a year at $2,916.67. And you said the health insurance is $400 a month?
Yes.
That's pretty steep based on, well, not that your coverage is not steep, but in Texas, we're only allowed to take 9% of her gross. So based on 9%, it'll be $262.50.
Will that start? Can you give me maybe 3 months before that starts? So I can rebudget my bills.
Let me think about that. No. So $262.50.
I had a question. Why are you being so hard on me?
Ma'am, I'm not being hard on you. You have not given this man any type of child support to support
not
your child.
have any.
And then you come to court and say you don't have money, but you travel and you have a $5,000 a month condo, but you don't give him anything a month.
I don't have it. I just don't have
Well,
it.
I can't help you. So it's going to be, I have your child support obligation. And how many children do you have? I'm sorry, ma'am.
Just one.
One child.
Then comes the hammer swift heavy final. The judge lays it down. Child support back pay. No more stalling, no more stories. And just when you think she might take accountability, she tries to bargain 3 more months before payments begin. 3 years of absence. And now she wants grace. Not today, not in this courtroom. That $5,000 condo starts to feel like a slap in the face.
Here. Sir, you said you all have a cordial relationship. Are you okay with continuing that health insurance?
Yes, I am.
Okay. And are you seeking any type of reimbursement from her on the health insurance?
No, I mean, it's all in the past.
Okay. Okay. Well, you got really lucky. He cut you a break. So your child support obligation, your net comes out to $2,466.03. Your child support obligation comes out to $394.56. Now your back child support, that $394.56, you have to pay that back from the time that the child has lived with
Oh,
Mr.
wow,
Schaefer.
that's not
Yes,
fair.
ma'am. In Texas, it goes back 4 years. Your child is 3. So with that calculation, it comes out to $14,204.16 to be paid monthly at an amount of $200. That makes your total child support obligation set at, well, I'm gonna make it $300 because $14,000 is a huge amount. So that makes your monthly child support obligation $694.56.
I got some bills that I can show you. I just can't afford that.
And you know what? He has bills that he can show me as well, and you have not done anything. And you're lucky that he cut you a break because I didn't have to let him do that. Is there anything further, Mr. Schaefer?
That's all that I have.
Can we talk and maybe we can talk one another and see if we can come up with an agreement.
You're more than welcome to do that at a later date, but right now I just made my ruling. Do you have any other questions
I
pertaining
guess
to this?
not, since I have to pay all this money.
Okay, well, I guess you all are dismissed. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Unnecessary, undeserved, unfathomable. The judge is done. The room is done. Just like that, justice lands hard and loud. Mom is locked in nearly $700 each month in support, $144,000 in back pay. No loopholes, no lifelines. The excuses crumble fast. The judge saw the truth clear and sharp, and so did everyone else, but the spotlight, it belongs to Grandpa, steady, strong, never backing down, while she vanished into silence. One man, one child, one battle won, but not without scars. Think she should be paying more. Say your piece below if this one hit, you hit that button. Stay tuned, because at Verdict Central, the drama never sleeps.